Chapter 7 Integrals continued. Today we have Indefinite Integral Part 6. Let's learn some important integrals today. We know the formula for integral sin x, integral cos x. Integral sin x we know, integral cos x. But integral tan x we did not have studied. Now let's see how we can get integral tan x. It's a formula. Integral tan x is equal to log mod x plus c. How we are getting this? We know tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. Now let's give substitution to cos x. So cos x is t, then its derivative negative sin x dx is dt, or dx is dt by negative sin x. So integral tan x dx is equal to integral negative 1 by t dt, that is negative log mod t, that is equal to negative log mod cos x plus c. Now negative log mod cos x, this is equivalent to log mod sec x, because to the left side of this negative we have 0. This 0 is same as log 1. Then log 1 minus log mod cos x. That is the difference of log function. So that is same as log of modulus 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x sec x. So integral tan x has two formulas. One is log mod sec x and the other is negative log mod cos x. You must remember both this formula. How did we get this formula? By substitution method. Now similarly, we can have integral cot x dx. We know cot x is cos x by sin x. If we give substitution to sin x is t, then cos x dx is dt, or dx is dt by cos x. So integral cot x dx is equal to integral 1 by t dt, that is log mod t plus c, that is log mod sin x plus c. So integral cot x dx is equal to log mod sin x. Integral tan x is minus log mod cos x or log mod sec x plus c. Remember both these formulas. Later, when anywhere integral tan x or integral cot x comes, we just take the result. We are not going to apply this proof, or we are not proving there. We just apply the formulas. Now the next one is integral sec x. We know out of the six trigonometric ratios, sin x, cos x, tan x, sec x, cosec x, cot x. These are the six trigonometric ratios. Out of the six trigonometric ratios, sin x and cos x come directly from the differentiation formula. The remaining four we have to find out. Two we already found just now, that is tan x and cot x. Now two more left, that is sec x and cosec x. Let's see integral sec x. Integral sec x dx is equal to log mod sec x plus tan x plus c. Let's see how we are getting it. Integral sec x dx is equal to integral sec x by 1. Then we multiply numerator and denominator by sec x plus tan x. Then we give substitution to sec x plus tan x as t. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x and derivative of tan x is sec square x. So, when we give substitution sec x plus tan x as t, we are getting sec x tan x plus sec square x dx is dt or same as sec x into sec x plus tan x dx is dt. We apply both this or substitute in integral sec x dx is equal to integral dt by t is equal to log mod t, that is log mod sec x plus tan x plus c. Okay, this also formula must remember. So integral sec x dx is log mod sec x plus tan x plus c. Now one more, integral cosec x dx. This is equal to log mod cosec x minus cot x. It is not with plus. Integral cosec x dx is equal to integral cosec x by 1 dx. Then as before, we'll multiply with cosec x plus cot x. Cosec x plus cot x. Then we give substitution to the denominator cosec x plus cot x as t. Then its derivative is minus cosec x cot x plus cot square plus cosec minus cosec square x is equal to dt by dx. Derivative of cosec x is cosec x cot x minus cosec x cot x. Derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. Is it okay? Cosec x derivative minus cosec x cot x. Derivative of cot x minus cosec square x. So minus cosec x can be taken out. So minus cosec x multiplied by cosec x plus cot x dx is dt. Or dx is dt by minus cosec x multiplied by cosec x plus cot x. So we make all these changes in integral. Then we have minus integral dt by t is equal to minus log mod cosec x plus cot x plus c. But this formula we can simplify further. We can simplify. Now, on simplification, we get this is equal to log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. So, we have integral cosec x dx is equal to log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. What is integral sec x? Integral sec x dx is equal to log mod sec x plus tan x. Sec x plus tan x. Cosec is but log mod cosec x minus cot x. So remember these four formulae, which are the integral tan x, integral cot x, integral sec x and integral cosec x. Now we completed the integration of 6 standard ones. That is integral sin x, cos x, tan x, sec x, cosec x and cot x. All the trigonometric functions or the major trigonometric functions, they are 6. We now learned the formula for those 6 trigonometric functions integrals. Now few more important ones. Integrals of the type integral dx by 1 plus tan x, integral dx by 1 minus tan x, integral dx by 1 plus cot x and integral dx by 1 minus cot x. Let us take one by one. These four also you must remember, but not by hearting. No, you should know the method of evaluating. So, what we do is, this tan x we will take it as sin x by cos x. We took LCM simplified. So, integral cos x by cos x plus sin x dx. Now multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So half integral 2 cos x by cos x plus sin x. Now the method is you express the numerator 2 cos x using the denominator cos x plus sin x and its derivative. Did you understand? Write down 2 cos x using the denominator and its derivative. So what you can do is you write down the denominator first, cos x plus sin x. Keep within bracket. Then give some gap. Then put a bracket. Then write down the derivative of the denominator. Cos derivative is minus sin x. Sin x derivative is cos x. Then you see which sign should I put so that this sin x is to be cancelled because you want 2 cos x. Understood? Cos x plus sin x, write as it is. Then this little gap. Then write down the derivative of the denominator, that is minus sin x plus cos x. Then you see the sign in between these two bracket terms, plus or minus, so that you must get 2 cos x. So here it is plus. Then what we do is we will separate the terms. So this is now 1 plus cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Then integral dx. That is the first one. Second one can be evaluated using substitution method. So, let's see the steps. So, half we separated the terms. Now, half integral 1 dx or dx plus half integral cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Now, integral dx is x. Now, when we look at this integrand, we know the numerator is the exact derivative of the denominator. See. So, its integral will be log mod of the denominator. So, half x plus half log modulus cos x plus sin x plus c. Now, similarly, the second one, integral dx by 1 minus tan x. Please work out. Same method. Tan x is sin x by cos x. Simplify. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Then see. First write down the denominator as it is. Then put a gap. Write down the derivative of the denominator. Then you see the sign in between, either plus or minus, so that the previous numerator is coming back. Proceed. Now let us see the next one. Integral 1 by 1 plus cot x. Same method. Cot x is cos x by sin x. Simplified. We multiplied numerator and denominator by 2. See 2 sin x. We wrote the denominator, put a gap, then write down the derivative of the denominator. Then you decide which sign should be in between, so that 2 sin x we are getting. Or in other words, cos x is getting cancelled. Then we separated the terms. This by this, that is 1. Then this minus middle one. Then integral minus sin x plus cos x. Now numerator is the exact derivative of the denominator. So its integral will be log mod of the denominator. So minus log mod cos x plus sin x plus c. Same way integral 1 by 1 minus cot x dx. This is homework for you. So we learned integral 1 by 1 plus tan x, 1 by 1 minus tan x, 1 by 1 plus cot x, 1 by 1 minus cot x. Don't forget. And those formula also. These are all important ones. Now we proceed. Now integration using trigonometric identities. Now all square forms, let's see. Integral sine square, integral cos square, integral tan square, integral cot square. Then integral cosec square, we have formula. Integral sec square, we have formula. So of all the squares, sine square, cos square, tan square, cot square, that is 4 out of the 6 trigonometric functions in square form, we have only 2 are standard one. The remaining 4 we have to find out and remember. So integral tan square, how to write it? Tan square is sec square x minus 1. We know the formula. 1 plus tan square is sec square. So tan square is sec square x minus 1. Now this integral sec square standard form, integral 1 standard form. So we separated integral sec square x dx minus integral dx is equal to tan x minus x plus c. Okay, remember the method. Now similarly integral cot square. We know 1 plus cot square x is cosec square. So cot square x is cosec square x minus 1 which is in standard form. So this is integral cosec square x dx minus integral dx. Now we know integral cosec square is minus cot x. So this is minus cot x minus x plus c. Minus cot x minus x plus c. Now the next is integral sine square x. So for that we use the identity cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So integral sine square x dx is equal to half integral of 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now we will open it. Is equal to half integral dx minus half integral cos 2x dx. Now these are all familiar integrals. Now integral dx is x. So this is x by 2 minus 1 by 2. This we already studied. Cosine integral is sine. Sine it is cos of ax plus b. So this is sine of ax plus b by coefficient of x. Or here it is sine 2x by 2. On simplification, it is equal to x by 2 minus sine 2x by 4 plus c. Now we have integral cos square x. Same way, we know the identity cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So we replaced cos square x as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. We opened the bracket, integrated. Finally we have x by 2 plus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. Important result. So sin square we studied, cos square we studied, tan square we studied, cot square we studied. Remember these four also. Now we have sin cube. Sin cube x. For that we use the identity sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So that sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Now we will replace sin cube by the formula. This 4 is common only. So we can separate it. 3 by 4 integral sin x dx minus 1 by 4 integral sin 3x. Sin x integration minus cos. This is minus cos 3x by 3. So together negative 3 by 4 cos x plus 1 by 12 cos 3x plus 6. One method. Now there is one more method to get this sum. What to do is we split up. Sin cube is sin square into sin. We know in all substitution method we need function and derivative. So if we give sin x is t, then its derivative is cos. So you need cos. So what we do is we know sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So sin square x is 1 minus cos square x, then multiplied by sin x. Now we give substitution to cos x as t, so that negative sin x dx is dt, or dx is equal to dt by negative sin x. So altogether we will be getting finally negative integral 1 minus t square dt, that is equal to negative integral dt plus integral t square dt. This is familiar one. So minus t plus t cube by 3 plus c. This is minus cos x plus 1 by 3 cos cube x plus c. So remember both the methods. Now similarly we can get the integration of cos cube x. So this you do as homework. You can use the formula cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, or you split cos cube x as cos square x into cos. Now we need one sine function. So this cos square is 1 minus sine square x into cos x. Then put sin x is t. Work out. Now another important sum. Now all the standard ones. These are all standard ones only. When standard ones come, you must remember either the formula or the method. Now integral sin x by sin of x plus a. This is an important question. Here we put x plus a is t, so dx is dt. So integral sin x by sin t dt, but that x is to be replaced now. X is t minus a. So sin of t minus a by sin t dt. Now this is the formula, trigonometric formula, sin of x minus y. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So this is sin t cos a minus cos t sin a by sin t. Now separate the terms. We'll be getting integral cos a minus sin a cot t dt. Here understand t is the variable. So cos a and sin a are constant only. So this is equal to cos a integral dt minus sin a integral cot t. Integral cot, do you remember what is integral cot? It is log mod sin t. So we replace or we apply the formula and simplify. So it is cos a integral t, integral dt. Integral dt is t. So we have cos a into t minus sin a log mod sin t. Next step we replaced t as x plus a. So cos a into x plus a minus sin a into log mod of sin of x plus a. Now next question, integral sin cube x cos square x. Here sin cube is sin square x into sin x cos square x. Now this is sin square x. Sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. This is cos square sin x dx. We give substitution to cos x is t, so that minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So this is equal to minus integral 1 minus t square into t square dt, that is minus of integral t square minus t raised to 4. Then apply the formula, replace it. Finally, it is negative 1 by 3 cos cube x plus 1 by 5 cos raised to 5x plus 6. Thank you.